Assalamu alaikum everybody. Welcome to Yusra's Kitchen Inspire Home Cooking. Today I bring for you a restaurant-like delicious fish recipe, which is fried fish restaurant-like. Hope you like it. And I'm using here fish fillet, about 340 grams. Pangasius fish I have taken. You can take any fish. Now before starting with the ingredients, I want to tell you I'm not using the regular baking measurement spoons. I'm using the regular teaspoon and regular tablespoon for the measurements of the spices. Now I'm taking here a teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, a teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of ajwain or carom seeds. Now if you can use carom powder also. So ajwain powder, if you are using, use 1 teaspoon. I am using here half teaspoon of ajwain. Now 1 teaspoon of all spice or garam masala powder and 3 tablespoon of regular oil. I am using here ginger garlic paste, about 3 teaspoon, oil for frying, and white vinegar about 2 teaspoon. So these are the ingredients. Now I have washed the fish already, and in a clean bowl I am going to add the fish fillet and add 2 teaspoon of white vinegar, and then add some water so the fish gets soaked. So till that level I am going to add water and 2 teaspoon of white vinegar. I do this for just 30 seconds and just mix this and then drain out all the water and then keep it aside. I do this because I don't want my fish to get broken while frying. Now take a small another bowl and add all the spices one by one. We are going to make a paste out of it and then marinate it to the fish. So one by one I have added salt, turmeric, red chili powder, allspice powder, cumin powder, coriander powder and ajwain. Ajwain tastes really good in the fish and you will really love it. 3 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. This is freshly grounded. And 3 tablespoon of oil. Now we are going to mix this with the spoon and make a paste. Now this paste we are going to add to the fish and we are going to marinate it for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can see it's so delicious. Already you can understand how our fish is going to be. So basically my marination is ready. We are going to apply this to the fish and marinate this really well. Massage the fish with this marinade and keep this fish inside the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes before frying. That's very important. Now here I have not used any corn flour. People use it, but it is not required because we have already used white vinegar. Now you can see it's out of the fridge and it's looking lovely, and I have taken a karai and added half karai of oil. So deep. We are going to deep fry it. It's fried, it's looking beautiful. Just fry it for like 10 minutes, that's it, not more than that, or I would say only 8 minutes or 6 minutes according to the size of your fish. If it's really thin, then fry only about 3 to 4 minutes. You can see it's looking so beautiful, perfect color, perfect taste, restaurant like at your home. Hope you like it. Stay blessed, stay healthy. Jazakallahu khair.